What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Infinity, and in this video that you're about to watch, I am rejuvenating my friend's curls. Now, his hair is kinda matted a lot, so I took my time to loosen up his hair and do the process of detangling his hair for him, and you're gonna see the end result. So if you're new to this channel and you've never seen my face before, make sure you subscribe, drop a comment down below, and leave a like, and also share this video. So with all that being said, let's get into it. This is what his hair looks like before we start. And it looks short right now, but after a while, you're gonna see how long his hair actually is. Obviously, to start, we're gonna wet his hair, and then I'm gonna add some sulfate-free shampoo to clean his hair, but this is only gonna be the pre-wash. Now after that's done, I'm gonna rinse out his hair, and I'm going to add more shampoo and wash his hair for the second time. Now we're going to rinse out his hair once again. As you can see, after the wash, his hair looks way longer than it did in the beginning of this video. Now I'm going to add some conditioner throughout his entire head, and I'm going to use the conditioner to start the detangling process. I started off with this plastic pick, but later down the road, I decided to switch to a comb because the pick wasn't detangling his hair the way I wanted it to. Every part that are detangled, I put into a twist to 1, keep it out of the way, and 2, to define the curls. This is how much hair he lost after I was done detangling, and I think it wasn't really that much. And this is what his head looked like after I sectioned his entire head. Now I'm going to take out the twist, rinse out his hair, and then after that we're going to add some products to moisturize it. I'm going to use this argan oil to moisturize his scalp. Then I'm going to use the apple and aloe leave-in conditioner to moisturize his hair. Now to define his curls, I'm going to use this curl kicker and mix it with the Suave leave-in conditioner. Now here, I tell him to shake his head a lot because that's going to allow his curls to clump together and it's going to make his hair even curlier. Now this was the final result, but stick around to see the haircut he got the next day. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And this is the King signing off on the fam.